here we have a Trix Adler. Picked it up second hand in a pretty decent box. Isn't that lovely? It's a great little train. Very good condition. Excellent condition, really. I have no idea how old it is, but when you look at it, the carriages are all joined together and they're wired together, and the motor's in this carriage, but it picks up from 4 wheels on the left hand side and 4 sets of wheels on the right hand side, including these 2 which have traction tyres on them. But it picks up from those, even though the traction tyres probably don't work so well. The footsteps are a bit fragile. I've just managed to, that one's been threatened to snap off for a while, but I'll have to get it glued back on. And then you have the Locomotive. Super little thing. Just plastic, very lightweight, but pushed along by the carriage, it works well. With Hornby's announcement of the Planet, I thought it would be quite timely to show off this little number. It's a great little model. It's made by Trix. I think technically it's HO scale. But when you compare it to Rapido's Lion or Hornby's Rocket or Locomotion, it seems to be very much a very similar scale. And you can see I've put on there the driver from the Rocket, because obviously he's an appropriate gentleman for this era. This particular locomotive is the first locomotive to run in Germany, but it was designed and built by Robert Stephenson. And from what I'm led to believe, a Geordie bloke went over with it and ran the locomotive for a number of years over in Germany. Trix made this model. I think it's quite an old model, to be honest. I don't know when it first came out, but I managed to pick it up second hand. And I think, to be fair, it's actually quite a good little number. The wheels look a bit like pizza cutters, but they do run over my track okay, as you can see when I do the little running session. It runs over it's code 100 track I've got, Pico, streamline points, one or two Hornby points in there as well. But on code 100 track it seems to run admirably well. For such a small loco and such an age, it actually runs brilliantly well. Courtesy of the fact that the motor for this particular thing is in the first carriage. And I'll insert a picture of the motor because it's an absolutely monstrous thing. It's quite a detailed little characterful engine. It's just a bit of fun, really, I suppose. This particular design, the Patentee, followed on from the Planet. And the Planet was a 220 and this is a 222. Ultimately, though, there probably wasn't a huge amount of difference. And you can see the evolution from this to the Lion, which is a 240. They have a similar sort of look to them. Planet's Patentee type and Hornby's or Rapido's Lion Tiger variations. It's a cracky little motor. Let's get it running.